In this video, I will show the interaction between G matrix and matrix classic. So I have only copied this, what I have done here. I only copied the section. Show loads at the sections. I need to see the loads. Remove the sections. Okay, so this structure I have created before. I have made copy and added different members. I will show you now how. So let's say I'm gonna copy this, copy member. You can choose delta x, delta y, delta z from this interaction, and then or I can use from this node to that node, and my structure has been created. So I'm gonna add a member from here to there, and from here to there, and from here to there. So this member, I want to make it as a cold front C, for example, and choosing the section 200C20, not DC, I need 200C25, save. This section, I want to make it as CFC, and I'm going to use, no, CFZ, say, that section, and use the section 200Z20. What about this section? I want to make it as a cold front C25. Choose my loading here, right click, load case, member uniform loading. So I can write it immediately here, but I'm going to use dead loads, load screen selection, and replace it. It will come here automatically. 20 and 30, and then -1. Second one I'm gonna use for in load case LL, live load. Of course I'm gonna select live load. I'm gonna load screen selection -2. Going to the load combinations, still we have dead load 1, live load 1, this is still valid. Run again, and this is my structure. So I'm gonna see, I can see the load, show loads, so I can see the load, how it's applied on this beam, on that beam. Now the other part is that I can migrate to Matrix Classic. For Matrix users, they know, they have experienced this. So this file will be transformed to Matrix Classic, which is a simple text file that you can also edit and save. Run it, and this has been solved, and it will show you all the report and all the forces that the designer would like to see by this table, as well the material takeoff. I'm going to end it now. So we can see clearly that the extension of this file is .m7d, and the extension of the previous file is .gm7. So these two files are images of themselves. Okay, so in all cases I'm gonna show you another example how we can migrate from Matrix Classic to G matrix. Let me say I'm gonna create a new file. I have to select first the extension .m3d, .m7d, .pur, and .bim. So the extension that can be converted are .7d. Now we have project number 2. I'm gonna save it in C. C drive, G matrix, project, sample. Where is the samples? Are not here. Probably in GM. Okay, that's it. So I'm gonna say sample 1, which is .m7d. Save it. Overwrite, yes. So macro RF. So this macro, I can put the data, and automatically Matrix Classic will create the text file for me. So if I want to view what I have done, just go to AutoCAD, and you can see the structure. I can wait for that. Now, what am I going to do is that make a new save, make a new file, and I'm gonna import the file matrix M7D to G matrix, and we can see now this example that I have done here has been transformed to G matrix on Graphical Interface. As well, I could see it on AutoCAD, which is very, very nice feature that the user can take advantage of. You can do it yourself and experience it yourself. That's the structure. Those are the loads. And then I can run it here. Now this is stress ratio. As well, I can run the same file here. And this is the structure. So if I want to go for automatic design, just go to Matrix Classic, Frame, Linear, Automatic. And then Matrix Classic will automatically design the structure for us. At least it will take us at 90% of the solution. Press end, and the structure is here.